In New Jersey, to become someone's guardian, you have to file an application in court. The application is called a complaint, and it has to be accompanied by several documents. The first thing is that you need certifications from doctors who've recently examined the person whom you're seeking guardianship over and who find that the person doesn't have capacity to manage their affairs. Usually, you need certifications from two physicians or one physician and one psychologist, though there can also be different requirements. You also need to include a certification showing what assets the person has and what income the person receives, as well as other paperwork and information. The person who's applying to become guardian has to disclose if they've ever had any civil or criminal judgments against them and may have to do a background check, including fingerprinting. After the complaint is filed, the court sets a hearing date and appoints an attorney to represent the person over whom you're applying for guardianship. The attorney's job is to advocate for this person, interview all the relevant parties, and make a report to the court. Once everything is in order, the court holds a hearing to determine whether to appoint a guardian, although sometimes the court may decide on the papers, which means that there is no hearing and no one has to appear in court. There are a lot of steps, and it usually takes several months at a minimum for a guardian to be appointed. However, if there's an urgent matter that needs to be handled immediately, you can request that the court appoint an emergency temporary guardian right away. To be appointed as emergency guardian, you generally have to show that the person would suffer substantial harm without a guardian if the urgent matter is allowed to sit for several months. An emergency guardian could be appointed much more quickly than a full guardian. I've filed all different kinds of guardianship cases all over New Jersey, and I'd be happy to talk further with you about filing for guardianship.